Hey everybody, I'm in downtown Panama City, just down the street from history class. I want to give you a sneak peek behind the scenes of the future home of El Weirdo. Come on inside. I'm standing in the future bar of El Weirdo. We're gonna have the brewing equipment over here, the beer is gonna be flowing right behind me, and the merch will be on the wall over there. We're gonna keep the beverage selection fresh, fun, and funky. You're gonna love it.
Look at all these old boom boxes I found in the basement.
What are you gonna do with them?
My dance routine, Tim.
Wait a minute. We have a basement? Weird.